Well, good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Yes, it is December 8th. All right. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm trying to get ready. Patrick and I are going to go to Home Depot and then I need to swing by the grocery store. I'm getting ready. I just pulled out my boots. It's kind of cold out today. I don't know if these are the best boots. Now this is a Sam Edelman Penny, and it's a riding boot. Low heel. Sam Edelman, they're not only their shoes, but their boots are such a wonderful quality. So I wanted to, I have these in a smooth black leather, and then I also have these in this suede. So I'm putting these on, and I love that they have the zipper in the back and then the little clip back, or little snap back here. So I'm putting this on. Did my hair and makeup. Now, it's kind of windy out there today. We're supposed to get up, it's 54. We're supposed to get up to 60, I think, today. So, I'm wearing a sweater that I pulled out. This is the first time I've worn it this year. I had bought it at the end of season last year, which is this black and white cashmere sweater from, I think I got it at Macy's last year. So, all I've got left to do here is to put on my lips. And, yeah, I put on my, as I always do, I always start off, of course, with City Beauty Lip Plumper. City Lips is what it's called. And I have these in almost every color that they have. But, today I'm using another lip color, so I just did the clear. So I just put that on my lips and let it do its thing. And then I blot it off for that. Now, let me get my stuff over here. I like to contour my lips. And yes, I did a video a couple of years ago, I think, on that. But I like to take a contour color, which is, this is actually Milk Chocolate by Too Faced. And I have this little bitty River pointy brush, and it's the 03. And so I load up my brush, tap it off, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to contour. Meaning I'm going to shade underneath my lip ever so gently, but not while I'm talking. But I'm only doing it on this part right here. Right there, and then I'm going to go above. And I'm doing it outside, above the line, because that's where I'm contouring. I'm just creating a shadow. And I'm only going to a certain point. Just ever so lightly. Right there. I'm trying to get up to where you can see. Just a little shadow up there. Now I'm going to go in. Oh, goodness. With my liner. I'm sorry. And this is one of the drugstore liners that I really love. This is Milani. They make very good, very nice lip liners for a very reasonable price. And this one just happens to be in Spice. So I'm going to line my lips real quick, and I go to the edge. And I don't go all the way to the here because I don't want to accentuate the outer corners. Now, a lot of times I have right here on my mirror a 10 times power mirror that I can get up really close and personal. You don't want to see that. So I've got the lip liner done. Let me see. There we go. And the color that I'm going to use today is Merit, and this is Court. And this is one of my new ones that I've got recently, and I just really love it. It's a warm red matte. And there it is. Now, not everybody likes a matte, but it doesn't, because I have the lip gloss on before and everything, it probably doesn't show as matte. But then I also have, if I want to put a little bit of lip oil on it on top, this is Merit in, I believe it's Cabo. Let me see. Cara. I don't know if this is still one of their colors or not. So I'm ready to go out. I'm going to throw on, I've got leggings, boots, and this long sweater on. I'm going to throw a red poncho type thing on me, and I'm ready to go. So I will check back in with you guys a little bit later. Hello, and welcome to Vlogmas Day.
Give me the line.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho. Ocho.
Okay, cool. Works for me. What she said.
8.
Okay, cool.
That's just, my Spanish doesn't go far. Someone is already begging for something, aren't you? And she's licking her lips. Hold on. You need to see this. If I can get her down there. Let's see if I can turn this around. Jen, what are you wanting? What are you wanting? Go back over there. What do you want to see? She's... Okay, you get the picture.
Yeah.
You get the idea. She's,
what am I gonna do?
She wants her treat. So,
yeah.
But first, I'm sorry. I know you're beautiful, and I love your eyeliner, but Mommy needs a glass of wine.
Well,
Mama needs a glass of wine.
I think you should.
So it's day 8. No pine cone.
Season ain't over yet.
We have, a Zinfandel. A Zinfandel, and this is Super Corkscrew, okay? You know, I guess I should have been reading about the wines on here. The Zinfandel at its finest. This wine has loads of flavor with generous warmth. The ultra-ripe fruit is reminiscent of forest berries and winter spices. It is very hard to read this small print because my glasses aren't over here. A wine for many different occasions and many different foods. All right. Santa, baby, would you open the wine for me? Since I'm remedial today.
Not a problem.
I'm on the short bus today.
No. Kids are on their tight, man. So.
Oh, man. All right, it's pretty. Ooh, this is going to go good with cheese.
There you go.
Ooh,
Cheesy Wheeze.
cheesy wheezies.
You bet. It's good stuff.
Good. Take a sip.
Oh, okay. That's not bad.
Mm-hmm. Cheers.
Yep.
To Vlogmas Day 8. We made it this far.
That's right, buddy. Not a problem.
All right. We'll get a piece of cheese in a second. Someone is very impatient here. Oh. I hear a helicopter over there.
Yeah, pretty much.
All right. We are on day 8 for the. Oh, a red one. They need to work on their preparations, on their paper card.
None of them are really
The
that
coated
great.
cardboard, yeah.
Yeah, the red one,
Red one. There's the plate. I didn't get napkins either this time. I know. Do y'all want next year for me to do the whole big thing like we did with the chocolate, what did I do? I did chocolate. I did the cheese advent calendar. I had napkins for every day. Chico came over instead of to get his piece of cookie.
Really?
June said he turned his nose up. And June says, I will take it.
Yeah.
So Chico, what are you doing, buddy?
Let me try a small one. Here you go.
Is he gonna take it?
No.
He's not gonna take it. Okay. You know what? I'm just wondering. Let's do a test. Get one of the soft ones out of the pantry of their treats bag. They're by the cough drops. Not the doggy cough drops, but our cough drops. On the shelf.
Yeah.
And we'll see if he will take that. If that's maybe he doesn't like the coating. On the shelf where my coffee is, the red box to the right, left, about waist high.
Mm-hmm.
Over on the right hand side is a bag of their treats, and they're soft.
Oh, gotcha.
See if he'll actually take that.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Drinking.
He's drinking. Okay.
We'll leave there.
Okay.
So,
He's
yeah.
being ornery today. So okay. So Patrick and I went to Home Depot and we were looking for a tree for the living room. And he had seen one there and he wanted to show it to me, but we went back today and they were gone. And so none of the ones that they had would work. And so later this evening, or this afternoon, we pulled up online at home, which we have one just about 5 minutes away from here. It's actually right next to where he works. And so they had a couple that we thought would work. So we just went over there and we got us a tree. We got a 7.5-foot tree to go in the living room. So I will work on that tomorrow after Aaliyah comes.
Yeah.
She's coming at 11:30.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Yep.
So, yeah, we'll see. I'll get it up. I don't know if I'll have it decorated, but we'll get it up. So, all right. We were watching Christmas with the Cranks last night. And several of you had commented that y'all had been watching it too recently and stuff. Of course, it's a classic Christmas story. Something that never jumped out at me before. But when he was adding up everything that they had spent on Christmas the Christmas before was over $6,100. This movie was back in 2004. So I went, well, how much is that now? So I Googled it. That it was over $10,000 compared to now. Who spends that kind of money on Christmas?
Not really.
I'm just like, never have we ever.
Oh, no.
I'm just like, I couldn't imagine it. I just, that just.
Well, you know, they did all the outside house decorations and all that. I mean, stuff started adding up no matter what age or area you're in, you know, stuff's high, man. I mean, it just is.
And the Christmas party that they.
Yeah, they did that every year.
Every year, and
Yeah.
I think they fed everybody.
Oh, I'm sure, yeah.
So,
Yeah.
but I'm just like, I just couldn't fathom spending that kind of money for.
Yeah, that's a lot of money.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's a
So
lot
I
of
just
money.
wanted to mention that because I didn't know if anybody else had caught that. that was a fan of watching that movie too. That
Yeah, no kidding.
I was very surprised. So, what else we got? Are we going to watch a Christmas movie tonight, or are we going to watch football? Chiefs are playing 7:20.
I'd watch some beach ball.
Beach ball?
Yeah.
Okay.
Catch a movie through the week.
Okay. Attention, Marsha Johnson. I'm going to put up a picture right here specifically for you right now. Patrick took this at Home Depot today, and I just wanted to share it with you because it immediately made me think of you. So,
Did what?
the picture that you took at Home Depot.
Oh, gotcha. Yes.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So, Marsha, that's for you. Marsha Johnson has a channel, and I'll put her link to her channel down below. She's very entertaining. So, and she goes now rubbing his face all over the carpet. I guess he's got an itch. So, we are having leftovers for dinner. The Ziti. I did go back and get some more sauce because I felt I needed more sauce because of the amount of pasta that I put into it. So, there's Sneeko. Say hi, Sneeko. Say hi. Hi. The rotten baby that he is.
That he is.
So, so yeah. So is that all we got?
I guess so, yeah.
Okay for today?
We were just chill today, you know.
Just chill.
It was a week last week, so I was just like, I tuned out. People wanted to get together. It's like, yeah, I'll get back to you. You know,
Yeah.
you're just going to have those times, man. I mean, you know, it just is what it is, so. I mean, it's all good. It just has tired.
Yeah, at least we didn't have rain today. We had rain almost all day yesterday.
Yeah.
And it was so cold. My bones hurt. And today it was just, started off cool in the morning in the 40s. And it did get up to 60. I think the sun came out about 3 o'clock.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
So,
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
so
Absolutely.
that wasn't that bad. So we're going to have leftovers. I got a salad to put together and then some more of that cheesy garlic bread that was so good.
Yeah, that was good. Yeah, absolutely.
So, and call it dinner and watch some football.
You
So,
bet. Yeah.
all right, Santa, what do I say?
Get up and show up.
Because,
You're worth it.
all right, he's got it down.
And everyone should have a chihuahua.
Yeah, with their tongue sticking out.
Yeah, right. Yeah, really. Yeah.
And your phone's ringing.
Justin.
Uh-huh.
I knew it.
So-
I knew it. Huh?
Kiss me.
Sorry.
Okay, all right. Bye, y'all. See you tomorrow.